in the market garden, what you want is perhaps specialize in a couple of crops that you sell a lot, but you definitely want to have diversity. And beans bring that to the booth. But it's how you pick them and how you grow them. Okay, so seeding the beans. We are going to seed in beds that have been tarped for just about a week, and there was salad mix. It's a good example of what to do when there's some crop residue. So beans are really easy to seed, and they don't need beds that are perfect. So what we'll do is we'll just give a little shot of rotary plow and raise our beds, make sure that there's soil over the crop residue. Then we'll go with the power harrow, level and firm the seed bed, and then boom, we're going to be seeding into that. So pretty straightforward, no broad forking. These were beds that were amended with compost previously, so we're not putting any fertilizers now. We're going to put them later on when we do the first cultivation in 3 or 4 weeks from here. Okay, so seeding the beans, we are using the Ertway seeder. And the Ertway seeder is the first seeder that I started to work with many years ago. And it's not the best seeder around because it's kind of clumsy and it's not very precise, but for beans, it does a great job. And so for the price of it, it's just in itself worth doing. And it's also good for peas and somewhat beets, if ever you want to plant beets direct seeded. And so we use it for that because on the Jang, there's no good plate that does as quick as a job as the Ertway. And so we use the bean plate, and so the bean plate goes in, and then the other adjustment is that you need to make sure that your furrower is going deep enough. You want it to be about an inch deep for the beans really to do a good job opening the furrow and then closing it with those little things. And so the adjustment is bean plate, depth to about 1 inch, and then we are measuring our seeds to make sure that we have the right amount of seeds in the ground. So measuring before and after, and then that's it. We're going to come with the back of the rake and bury all the furrows, make sure that there's water there afterwards, and then you should be good to go with the beans. We also going to start one tray of beans inside, so then you can come back and plug the holes where there was poor germination, wherever that is on the row.